Good morning everyone. Welcome back to S&B Diaries. Today we're coming to you from Corfu, and behind me here is the new fortress. So let's go and have a look round and see what we can see. Great big opening there in the wall. Some sort of tunnel. Just pan round and show you the entrance going over to the other walls there. Just a quick view looking down towards the old town there. And now we're going to head down through this tunnel over here. This would have been where the donkeys and carts would have come, bringing all their goods up to the fortress. Where we're standing on the first level here, just looking out towards the sea of the new fortress. Some of the old rifle viewing points where they would have put the guns through to fire at the enemy. And there's the old fortress in the centre of your picture there. And both fortresses would have protected the town. And there's a great big concrete surrounds, stone walls would have protected the fortress against cannon fire. So there's another tunnel we're coming through to go up to another level. Some views going out to sea. All this greenery here growing along the rocks. Quite tall walls. So we've just come out on the level here below the cannon. Some of the windows have been blocked. Show you the height of that wall. And we just come around that corner there. One of the old cannons, decommissioned of course. Up to the second level of the new fortress. Looks down towards the town. It's a primary school down there, the children are playing. Down there is where we came up. Having just found out that these were the guards' barracks built by the British in 1843. There's a picture of the fort for you. Head up these improvised wooden steps on the old crumbling stone steps here. It's a little seating area. Lovely stone arch there. And more views out to the sea. Well guys, that concludes our tour here at the new fortress here on the outskirts of Corfu, surrounded by the old town. So thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.